We are going to make sheera, which is a little different than the normal one. So here what we are using is coarse wheat flour. You can see its consistency. It's very granulated and a little coarse. So we have a little of ghee in the kadai. We have some jaggery here. So you can see like we have almost 3/4 cup of the flour. So we took this as per taste. So you can actually test on your taste bud. We are keeping to boil in some water, and until then we've put the flour into this ghee. Mix it well. We need to stir this continuously from low to medium flame. So we are going to mix this until we get a really good aroma out of it. And in Gujarati, this is called as sodam. So gradually after some time, this is going to get a little fluffy. You can see. As you can see, the color has changed a little bit. So now we will be adding the warm water, which we have kept aside. So for 1 part of flour, we will be adding 3 parts of water. Now it depends like what consistency you are actually expecting out of it. Now we are going to sweeten this up. So we will be adding some jaggery. As said earlier, you can put this as per your taste of how sweet you want this to be. And the benefit of adding jaggery instead of sugar is that it's obviously a healthier and better option any day. So you can see that this was just a 3-step or 3-ingredient recipe, yet it is so much healthy, full of fibers, and believe me, it can also act as a full meal if you just have some cider alongside. So you can see how delicious and easy it looks. So the consistency now depends on how you want it. So if you want it to be more thick and more viscous, then you can just stir it until the ghee appears on the upper layer. Or if you want to have it just the way it is, then that's not a bad option as well. If you can see this minute glaze, now this indicates that your sheera is ready to eat. You can see how nicely it has separated out. Looks so nutritious and so nice. We have some cardamom taken, that is elaichi, so we are going to just reduce the particle size. You can already feel the aroma of it the moment you do it, and believe me, this would definitely add up to the lovely flavor.